Hello from Epcot, everybody. Today we're here at the Festival of the Arts, and I'm going to show you guys some of the great foods that you can try, some of the art. I'm planning on buying some art myself, so let's not wait anymore. Let's go. So today almost didn't happen because it rained all morning, and we just waited to see if they would clear up, and it did. My honey's with me, Marky Mouse.
Hi guys.
And I am testing. Got my mic on again because it's super windy and I don't want the wind sound, so let me know how this sounds. So when you're coming to the festival, any festival, you gotta grab your little festival passport. I actually cheated a little bit because I took this home. We were here last week and I looked through it to decide what I wanted to try. But all of the festival foods will be here. It'll let you know where to find them. Any festival merchandise will also be featured here. And there's also a concert series that you can find the schedule for in this little passport. So this is really important. Don't forget to grab it when you come. No matter the park and which time of year, I always try to be in theme. So I've got my Epcot shirt and we've got Figment right there. He's got a little like art palette. But check out my earrings. I got these on Etsy and I'm loving them. And then of course, I haven't worn this side of the hat yet. I've worn this side. So I love these hats. The weather's perfect, by the way. It is windy, cool, with the sun peeking through. So I think it's a good day. Right across from Journey into Imagination, you have the expression section right there, and it's a wall where you can color it by number. We're gonna go check that out right now. So here's the wall, and actually you're gonna get your paint right over there in that little hut. That's where we're headed to. And I got paint on it.
Perfect. I got it nice and dark in there.
So we just finished the paint by numbers, and when the wall is done, this is what it's going to look like. And we were somewhere in this section here. The park is pretty busy today. There's a really good flow of people. The parking lot was full, and I think everybody did what we did. Just wait until the bad weather passed and then enjoy this beautiful day. Guys, if you are coming here for the Arts Festival, the weather is phenomenal this time of year, so I do recommend you check it out. Another great thing about coming this time of year to the Disney parks is that the hotels are going to be a little cheaper because this is considered the off-season. It's not summer, and summer's when it's really busy, and then of course you have the holidays that get busy as well. So February timeline is perfect. I'm redoing my office this year, so I'm really hoping to find some new art pieces that are affordable. I want to change up some of the artwork I have in there. Right now my office is full of Disney art. I just want some new stuff. Pop Eats is one of the festival favorites. It actually has a tomato soup with grilled cheese sandwich. And who doesn't like a good grilled cheese sandwich? All right, we've got our tomato soup and the grilled cheese. Guys, this looks amazing. Mark took the less burnt grilled cheese because I love mine burnt and crispy. But let's check this out. We actually have never tried it here. We love the grilled cheese. It's over at Hollywood Studios, but we've actually never had this one. He's recording me for his vlog, by the way. He wants me to try it, but check that out, guys. Oh my God. Oh yeah. This is really good. I should probably tell you how much we spent. So it does taste different than the one in Hollywood Studios. It's still really, really good. This is like a staple that we all love. You guys have to try it. Even people that don't like tomato soup will love this. So for both of us, it was $11.50. I've been paying with my little gift card that I keep recharging. That way I don't have to dig out for any wallets. I just paid with that. But $11.50 for two. Okay, sweetie, what's your review?
I've eaten most of it. I can tell you that it's delicious. I like it a lot.
So we go from really cloudy and windy, full sun right now. We do have sunscreen on. So guys, even if you see it's going to be cloudy, you guys should wear sunscreen when you come here because you just really never know. Here's an example of what I did. I went highlighting everything I've been wanting to eat. So I'm going to pace myself because I'm eating a lot of stuff today. I want to try a lot of stuff. I don't know when we'll be back or if we'll be back. This is a very, very short festival, by the way. It's only 6 weeks long. So I'm going to pace myself and try a lot of stuff. But yeah, I have like highlights everywhere where I want to go and check out. We're going to try dessert next. So happens he wanted to try it as well. And it's been highlighted on my sheet. We're right next to it. So I'm going to go get it. Look at this beauty. $5.25. And this is the Neapolitan dessert. It is beautiful. So we have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. $5.25. Okay, I started with the chocolate. It is delicious. Delicious. Oh my goodness. It's like a chocolate mousse in the middle. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Okay, I'm going to try the vanilla. The vanilla has like a cookie. Oh yeah. Vanilla's really good too. Strawberry is my least favorite, so let's see. Oh wow. They're all delicious. This is a must-have for sure. So he likes all three just like I do. My favorite is the chocolate, second favorite is the vanilla, and strawberry. I don't like strawberry flavored things, but I do like fresh strawberry. So I don't know, maybe I might mix a chocolate with the strawberry, see how I like it, because I love chocolate covered strawberries.
I like it a lot. I like the strawberry.
It's really good. But I feel like the vanilla, that cookie that it has underneath, he says it reminds him of like the cookies that grandma would have, you know, in those cans.
In the blue can,
yeah.
Over here.
And to me it's kind of like a graham cookie of some sort, but it's delicious.
Much softer than a graham cracker.
Yeah, you're right. It is much softer. It's really good, guys. Looks like we have an artist right there working on some stuff. Okay, we normally get the regular poutine that they have here. It's over here, the refreshment port. Right there is your port of entry. So you're gonna go to the left when you come in, like if you're headed to Canada, and right there. The gnocchi is the poutine for the season or for the festival. So it's got some cheese curds in there, the gnocchi, that's braised beef, and it has burrata. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. And this little guy's keeping an eye on me. I think he thinks I'm going to share my food with him. I don't think so, buddy. Oh, man. I'm a fan of braised beef. Did you catch that?
Yeah.
I think I felt the swoosh. Yeah. This is $10. This is a meal, guys. $10. I think this is where I'm going to stop until I get hungry again because I'm already getting full, but this is delicious. There's no need to eat anything else. This is amazing. So throughout the day, they have some performers here. You've got artists, musicians, all up on the stage, but it looks like they get done pretty early. So we missed them today. So here at the festival, you can also find some of your favorite Disney artists, and they'll be signing autographs. We've got somebody signing an autograph right there, and he's got a decent line. If you want to get a good shot here, you've got a PhotoPass person right there taking pictures for you. Those optic illusions where you would have Joy here hanging out with you. You're going to be sitting up there somewhere. It's closed off right now, and I think it's because it rained, because it is still pretty wet over there. There's some really cool frames here that you can go ahead and take pictures in. I love all of these. This is part of Sleeping Beauty. You've got Mary Poppins right there, and Wish. This is a lot of fun here. Normally there's a lot more chalk art here, and I'm not sure if it just got washed away by the rain today, but there is some on that side as well. I think this is one of my favorites. I love this. Figment is looking up at the fireworks from Spaceship Earth. That is a beautiful, beautiful piece of art right there. We're headed to Figments Inspiration Station, and one of the things in there is something we tried last year. We ended up buying 3 of them, so we have 3 cups. It's a grape smoothie. If you like grape, this is definitely one of those things that you should have. Some people thought that it tasted like Robitussin. To me, it tasted like grape soda, but kind of like a whipped grape soda. I don't even know how to explain it, but I did try it last year. I'm not buying it today only because I am so full. So this is in the Odyssey building. That's going to be right there, and depending on the festival, they have different theming going on. There's our favorite place to eat when we're here at Epcot. That's in the Mexican Pavilion. It's right across it actually, and that's the Cantina. It is so good, guys. It's affordable, lots of food, and always delicious. I picked up this year's bucket, guys. I couldn't resist. This looks just like the building where Figment's ride is, the Journey to Imagination. It actually lights up. It has the popcorn in here, that delicious rainbow popcorn. And look at Figment, how cute he is. This is going to be part of my office decoration when I do my new office. I love it. Isn't it beautiful? And I picked up an extra one for a friend. This is a little gift I'm sending via airmail because it's going a bit far. But isn't it beautiful? I love it. I hope you can see the lighting. It's lit up and it's blinking. Look at how beautiful this area is, guys. We have that wall there for pictures. I'm going to go take a picture with my bucket there. But look how pretty. We have rainbows everywhere. Here's a little view of our beautiful golden hour. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but there is definitely a storm coming. There's a little bit of lightning right in that cloud. I was hoping to capture it for you guys. It's a fantastic night though, but it is very, very windy. The crowds are still pretty heavy, guys. Today turned out to be a beautiful day, and I think people just took advantage of the weather. But oh, I'm gonna check out some of the art here because this is one of my favorite artists. They're getting ready for another show, and they're starting to let people in very soon. That's the standby entrance, and that's Disney on Broadway. All right, there's 30 minutes before the show starts, so we were able to get in pretty early. We're gonna get good seats. He's live streaming over on his channel.
I am. Oh my god, wait.
The battery on my mic died
Sorry, guys,
out,
I'm zoomed
so
in.
I
I'm
have
zoomed in.
no mic anymore, but I'm gonna film a little bit of the show for you guys.
Take your seats now, as the performance will begin in just a few minutes.
To believe in something bigger than yourself. I think that's the magic of Broadway, because to see it 100.
Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope to catch you on the next one. Have a great one.